Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Caitlin. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I am going to be reviewing the Billie razor for you guys. I'm super excited to open this up. I ordered the razor starter kit thing. I think it's just a razor and a holder, and then I also got the body lotion. I've seen so many people rave about this razor in terms of like influencers, and I've looked up a couple reviews. It seems that most of the people who gave positive reviews were coming over from using like a 2-blade disposable razor, and I didn't see too many people reviewing this product who had previously been using like a 5-blade Venus Embrace or a Chic Hydro Silk or something of that nature, which I would think would be like a more comparable razor experience. So I was a bit curious to see what the quality really is like. One of my real life good friends has ordered Billie in the past and she did not like it. So I actually held off on ordering Billie for a long time. What really tipped me over the edge was when they released their highlighter color, which is like my favorite color. So that's what I ordered. And yeah, I just kind of wanted to give it a go for $9. If it does work out, that's great. I'm a little nervous that my friend did not like it, so we'll see. My plan today is to unbox it, and then I will come back and give you guys my final thoughts and like a full review on the quality after I've had a chance to really use it and get to know it better. So let's just get right into the unboxing portion. So this would be the razor, and then I also got the Dry By body lotion with grapeseed and shea butter. Oh, it says smooth, soothe, and sparkle. Does this have sparkle in it? It smells really nice. Almost has like a grapefruit scent. It's kind of citrusy, but it's not like super strong or anything. And there does not appear to be any actual sparkle, so that's good. Although that would be kind of fun, but I just would have liked to have known that before ordering. Okay, and so this is the razor pack. I really like this packaging actually. It's super cute. I kind of think I'm gonna need scissors to open this because there's no like tear tab, which is odd. The inside is like a holographic. I just love the attention to detail. That's really cute. I'm assuming this is the razor. What else do we have in here? This looks like a little pamphlet. A holder for your handle. It's magical, is what it says. And then here is what looks like the blade. This is the color I got. The shade is called Highlighter. Pretty cute, pretty pleasing. I like the way the handle feels. The blades look good. I mean, yeah, we'll just have to see. Yeah, so it comes with a razor ready to go plus a spare blade, and then let's just open up this little magnetic holder guy. Again, this doesn't have a tear tab like on the side here to make this easier to open. Okay, so it looks like it's literally got like a little sticker on the back, and then you would stick that to your shower wall, and then I guess this is magnetic. The little handle also came with a little envelope that said backup sticky stuff, so I guess if this wears off or you need to transfer it to a different location or something, you get like an extra sticker for your holder. The handle feels really nice. I kind of like the way it's designed and gripped, so I'm excited to give this a go. So I will be back shortly with my full review. Hi friends, it's been about a month since I was in my last clip, and I've been testing out the Billie razor in the meantime. So I've been using this as my everyday razor for the past month. I've taken it on a 2-week trip with me, so I've really put this thing to the test, and I'm ready to share my final thoughts. So I actually really do enjoy this razor, and I am planning to keep my subscription going. At the moment, I have it set up to deliver 4 heads every 2 months. I am on my 2nd head. I changed it after I got back from my trip because so there's like, it's hard to see here. It feels solid and everything, but when it gets wet, it almost has like a gel-like quality to it. And it will kind of have like gel that comes out the back here. So when I'm traveling and I didn't have the little magnetic holder to hang this up on, I feel like the razor head got messed up quite a bit faster because you'd lay it down, or if you threw it into like a toiletry bag or something, that kind of sticky, soapy, gel-like coating that's on this would get stuck to things, or just get kind of grimy if you couldn't hang it up as you're supposed to. So that is one thing to note. Like if you're someone who's kind of lazy and just can't be bothered to actually use the magnetic holder or to hang this up to dry instead of just like leaving it face down, then I think you're gonna get frustrated with this razor, because I do think that the razor heads won't last as long. When I say last as long, I mean like this outer comfort coating. The blades themselves I'm sure will be fine, but this like outer comfort coating that has kind of like the razor gel type properties to it will disappear a lot faster if you're not hanging it up to dry. When you do have a fresh razor head, I think it works pretty well on its own without any additional shave cream. I think it's totally fine to shave your legs with just this when you have a fresh razor. When I got down to like after like 3 weeks of using the same razor head, then I really wanted soap or safe gel, something else to lather up with, because this, you know, kind of coating or whatever does deplete with time. I use the Billie razor for my underarms, my legs, my bikini area. I liked it pretty well for everything. Like I mentioned, I'm planning to continue my subscription, and I think it did a really nice job. I thought you could get a nice smooth shave. I do with my legs most of the time use some kind of shave gel. So right now I'm using just the Trader Joe's Mango Shave Gel. It's like $3.99. It's basically just like a gel. It doesn't lather or anything, and it just gives a little more lubrication. I just personally prefer to use something. I do think this was like a really impressive, inexpensive razor. I think the blades themselves were really nice. They're very comparable to my past Venus Embrace or Chic Hydro Silk products, and I'm excited that this will be delivered to my door at a much cheaper price. A couple other notes I just wanted to mention. I did hang up the holder in my shower using the provided putty. It's not a sticker. It ends up being like a putty similar to like poster putty or earthquake putty or something like that. So you just kind of like press it onto your shower wall. Mine is still on there just fine, no issues with that. And finally, just to follow up on the lotion is nice. I like it. I think it smells nice. Got kind of like a citrusy grapefruit scent. I don't think it's anything spectacular or super different from other lotions on the market. I do like that it has a pump. It's very thick, so you feel like, you know, you're getting some good kind of like nourishing oils in it. But yeah, I mean, I think you don't have to get it. I think it's just another nice lotion. So that about sums up my review of these Billie razors. Leave me a comment down below if you are thinking of trying out this razor, or if you have any other questions. I love to hear from you guys. And don't forget to hit a thumbs up if you found this video useful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!